Hello viewers, I am Sukhdeep Singh Sodhi from the WINGS IELTS and Immigration Center Dhuri. So today we are going to do about connector. They are very useful in IELTS as well as writing and speaking in the both module. So most of the students, they stuck while writing and while speaking, they think that they don't have ideas. The reason behind it because sometimes they have stuck in the structure. So what we have to do in order to so that three of them we will do today, so that frequently you can use in writing as well as speaking. So first of all, they are called connectors, both of them in order to they are the subordinate conjunctions they are called, and it is called conjunctive adverb. But you don't mean of that. You should know only one thing, how to use them. Okay. So first of all, the meaning of that, in order to and so as to. In order to and so as to, it is means like de lai. We can say that ke liye. De lai, ke liye in Hindi. So when we use in order to and so as to, how to use this? We have to use one action. एक ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ action ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ so as to or in order to. Both are same. In order to, so as to, both are same. After that, purpose. Then what is the purpose? First the action will be taken, so as to, in order to, then purpose. So frequently we can use. Suppose for example we say that people should throw garbage into the dustbin so as to keep surrounding neat and clean. So as to keep surrounding neat and clean. If we say that people should throw garbage into the dustbin so as to or in order to. So as to, in order to, both are same. So as to, in order to, what is the purpose? So as to, in order to. After that we will use first form always. So as to keep surrounding neat and clean. So in this way we can use, or we can say that people must not use fossil fuel. People must not use fossil fuel so as to or in order to save the environment. So in this way, so as to, in order to, we can use. After that we have to use first form. This is much required. Or when I have to use so that, then we can convert same sentences. As we can say people should throw garbage into the dustbin so that, then we can make like so that they can keep their surrounding neat and clean. So that they can keep their surrounding neat and clean. There is no need any kind of comma, no need of any kind of full stop. We have to write on the proper sentence. Similarly, this if we say that people must not use fossil fuel, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ fossil fuel ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ यूज करना चाहिए. So that, क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए? So that ताकि they may save their environment, or so that they can save their environment, ताकि वो अपने environment ਨੂੰ बचा सकन. In this way frequently we have to use the three of the structure in order to, so as to, so that. and in descriptions there are more sentences are there you can make and we will frequently check it. So in your writing passage you have to use 3 of them because they are used frequently in that. So ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸੀ in order to so as to so that. So next video ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ next ਲੈਸਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ। ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ, ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ। ਐਂਡ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ, ਲਾਈਕ ਤੇ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲੋ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।